one of the qualities that really inspires me a lot is the quality of having enthusiasm in your life, having that energy in your daily life. And I'm not talking about just about your physical energy, but your desire, your emotional energy. So, for example, one of the people that really comes to my mind when I think about enthusiasm is Palash from Mumbai, who came to the Confident Speaker Conference last year, and he then enrolled for the Balanced Life Mastermind, which is my 12-month, very intimate coaching program where I help people one-on-one to develop all areas of their lives toward mastery. But there was something very, very unique about Palash. When Palash came to the program, the Confident Speaker Conference, which is the public speaking course we do here in Bangalore, I mean, he was very enthusiastic. And the enthusiasm I'm talking about was not just physical energy, but he was hungry. He has had and has the drive to learn, the power to accept feedback, and he always was taking lead. Whenever there was a time for him to speak, he was coming to the stage with enthusiasm. Whenever I asked him a question, he was answering with enthusiasm. Whenever he had a question, he always stood up. I remember he always stood up, and he was not asking in a small way. He wanted to ask with full attention and enthusiasm. And see, there are a lot of people who came to that particular workshop, but Palash definitely was one of the top 3 or 5 people who improved and transformed their life in terms of the results and the progress. So this is my invitation to you to improve your enthusiasm, to improve your energy. By the way, this is not wine, huh? I'm having some Himalayan herbal tea with forest raw honey. But you gotta improve your enthusiasm, the way you talk. When you talk to people, nobody likes to talk to a dead person. Hello, how are you? Good morning. No, people want that enthusiasm. People want to see your smile, and a genuine one. So it's not about having an outside enthusiasm. It's about, first of all, having an inside enthusiasm. And that's one of the things we cover up inside the Confident Speaker Conference a lot. We don't just teach you some public speaking techniques only. We give you that energy, that confidence, that vibe that gives you that drive, so you can attract your tribe. Does that make sense? So Palash, if you are watching this video, I just want to say, man, I love your enthusiasm, and that's why you improve so much. That's why you have decided to take your life to another level now after the event by joining the Balanced Life Mastermind. And there are many other people that I can talk about inside the Balanced Life Mastermind that have great enthusiasm, but you should have that. So my assignment for you today, before I show you Palash's video, my encouragement to you, my assignment that I want to give you today is go out there and increase your enthusiasm by at least 20% just for today. The way you talk, okay, your volume, your energy. In fact, if you walk like this, increase your walking speed a bit today. Increase your walking speed. Walk a little faster today. Bring that enthusiasm. Give that message to your subconscious mind that something is changing, right? And when you know that you are changing, other people will notice that you are changing. So Palash, if you're watching the video, I want to say that I'm inspired by your enthusiasm, and you are an amazing asset in the group of the Balanced Life Mastermind. Asset, I say, because your enthusiasm, your open-mindedness really inspires other people. It certainly inspires me, and I want to congratulate you for all the success that you're achieving. You're an amazing person. You're improving so much in your communication, now all the other areas of your life. This is amazing. So guys, have enthusiasm, because enthusiasm will change your life. And now listen to Palash.
So it's a very practical course. Hi, good morning. My name is Palash Mitra. I work for a MNC. I'm into sales. I'm basically based out at Mumbai. So I think the number one could be the stage fear, and the second is the technique, which you really need to know. So I think this again correlate with my challenges previously. So I have improved a lot in terms of my stage fear, and thanks to Vishal to show me the techniques which improve me to impact on my presentations. So if we look into the profession, whatever idea, whatever thought we have, we always want to present in front of audience, probably in front of customer, in front of management, to explain our ideas. So if you able to explain your ideas, your thought, I'm sure this will help you to get an exponential growth in your career. And thank you, Vishal, to show me that way to achieve my dream. Thank you.
I'm a man on a mission.